In this video, I want to talk about becoming a trillionaire. Now, many people have goals in their life and they want to achieve high levels of success. I work as a life coach and I help people to make positive changes in their life. Now, I've seen many people I've worked with and that I know become extremely successful, and what they do is they deliver the things that they set out to achieve. The way that they accomplish this is by working so diligently and having a plan, seeing it through, and getting to where they want to go. Many times they face challenges or adversities or other people saying to them, oh, your idea is not good, or you're a failure, or you're not going to achieve this. And what they learn to do is block out those negative, toxic voices, and they only listen to the things that they believe that will help them. Now, what I want to say to you is you can go out there and be a millionaire or a billionaire or a trillionaire. It's not the only thing in life to have money, but if your desire is to be successful, find someone to help you, to work with you, to set goals, and to see you make positive change and progress. And who knows, maybe you will be the world's first trillionaire. But what I say to you is get people around you that will build you up, that will motivate you, that will encourage you and inspire you to be what you are capable of. I work one-on-one with people from all over the world that are looking to make positive changes. I'm also the author of several books. You can work directly with me by going to my website at BlakeLevineCoaching.com. The link is below, or you can even call my office. We do in-person sessions in our office in Florida, or by phone, or by Skype video, anywhere that you're located. Please feel free to reach out to me directly at my office, 213-304-9555, 213-304-9555. And I hope, if your goal is to be rich, or it is to be successful, or it is to do something big, just know that you can achieve that. If you'll have people around you that encourage you and support you, you never know what will happen, and maybe you will be the world's first trillionaire. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.